right, today I have a Ford Mustang, all right, and today I'm going to show you how to control the windshield wipers on this particular Ford Mustang. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of this particular vehicle, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the steering wheel, and do you see this lever right here? This lever right here is how you control the windshield wipers. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn them on, and as you can see, it's an indicator of how you can turn it on right here. If I go down once, that is for misting. So if you have a mist on the windshield, you just pull it down like that and it wipes off the mist just like that. All right, now to turn them on, I'm going to raise this lever just once. All right, and I believe that takes it to the intermittent mode. All right, in order to control the intermittent mode, you can go ahead and adjust this lever right here to control the intermittents, I believe. All right, the next, I'm going to turn it to the low function, which is off of intermittent mode. Right there, it is on the low setting. Now to turn it on high, in case you have a lot of rain coming down, you take it and you pull it up one more time. And as you can see, it is on high and it is wiping away the torrential downfall. Now to turn off the headlights, or excuse me, the windshield wipers, you're gonna come down, take this lever right here, pull it all the way down, and the windshield wipers are off. Now, there's another feature. There is a windshield washer feature to wash the windshield. Now, in order to wash the windshield, I'm going to take this same lever and I'm gonna pull it towards me. Now watch what happens. I pull it towards me, and windshield washer fluid should come out. But currently I am empty and I don't have windshield washer fluid, so no windshield washer fluid is going to wash my windshield. But that's how you do it. You pull it this way and it washes your windshield. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.